Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm filming somewhere. It's experimental, okay? Also, I'm sorry if it sounds a bit echoey. I'm aware of that and I will fix it at some point, okay? But for now, I just kind of have to like live with it, all right? Last month I did kind of an extreme hair change and a bit of a stupid one, in the sense that I cut off quite a bit of my hair that was damaged, so I actually got a short bob, except that then I bleached it all and I dyed it pink. And now my hair has kind of faded out into this like, I had this color so many times previously, and today we're going to dye it once again. So I took to Instagram a little while ago and I asked you guys what you guys kind of wanted to see on me. I expected pinks, but the most common was purple and blue. So I want to make you guys happy. Not both. I hate the combination of blue and purple. I think it's disgusting. Ugh. Today I'm going to try to do kind of a pink to blue melt or ombre or whatever. I have my own level 7-8 roots growing out, and then I have like a burst of metallic pink, a lighter version of that pink, and then kind of a gold, really weird thing. It always happens every time I do pink. So on the end, I'm thinking of doing kind of like a pure blue or like a pastel blue. Because my hair has very much of a warm golden tone that is very, very common with pinks, I will have to tone it. I will be putting on a silver toner before I do the blue so that I cancel out any yellow. Because if you put blue directly on a golden color, it will turn green. Get this into your head, hairdressers. So let's get into the video. I don't know what the outcome is. I have a feeling that I'm gonna like it so much that I'm gonna ditch the blue. No! Oh my god. Okay, so I love the color. I love the color, but I'm noticing that my roots still look like my roots. I guess I should have realized, I should have like for some reason thought of the fact that Guy Tang never applies his colors on unbleached hair. The color itself is gorgeous. I'm noticing some banding right over here, which I'm hoping will go away. This bit right over here looks exactly like a pearl color. I'm gonna have to re-dye it. Problem is, don't know what to re-dye it with. Right. It's just... this thing's bigger and heavier than me. Yeah, let's go to my favorite section ever. The problem is I don't think I have any of these left. Like this would be such a nice, this is actually the color that I had on just before this and it would look so cool, except I ran out of it. I'm gonna think and I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, so I think I came up with some sort of a plan. So I found this dye, the Schwarzkopf 688, which is a dark blonde red extra. Then I'm going to dilute a lot, 10 or 20 volume developer, this color, which is very red. I'm gonna try add in a bit of the mydentity direct dye called Crimson Spell. I'm gonna try apply it just on like the root area. I'm gonna mix this up really quickly and we're gonna apply it. It is definitely not going to be this bright. This is this bright because I added Crimson Spell from Guy Tang, and that is a very, very, very opaque color. However, I know for a fact it's not going to do much of a difference on roots this dark. It would if it were bleached, but it's not. What? It's not. It's like I have eternal time. Anyways, let's do this. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait 20 minutes, maybe. I'm gonna see how it processes. I'm gonna wash it out and then I'll probably be back tomorrow because I'm tired now. This is my hair color the next day. I feel pretty cute, I'm not gonna lie. It's very pink. I actually really like the way it looks. Like even when I pull it back, I feel like it's really me. Obviously, I love the way like dark pink / red looks on me, so. But I have done this color like 1,020,000 times before, so I'm actually going to put some form of a blue dye on the tips. It's gonna turn purple. I'm warning you from now, it's going to turn purple. I think last year I got sent these two colors by Eroiro. This is a seafoam blue. This on its own is going to have no effect, but I'm going to use it to dilute the rest of the colors that are coming. And this is a 40 blue. It's a very, very, very opaque, kind of dark blue. Mix these two together, you get kind of a nice concoction. Depending on how that looks, I might mix in a bit of Nightfall. This is a borderline blue / purple. If I do add any of this, it's going to be very, very little because it's very, very dark. And one thing that I don't want is for my ends to be darker than my roots. Oh my god. Okay, let's do it. Now I'm gonna let it sit for around 30 to 45 minutes and rinse it off, and I'm gonna show you the final finished look. Hi. Pink and blue hair melt. Check. Oh my god, I'm still reeling. I am still freaking reeling. This has to be one of those hairstyles that is like, I did not expect to like it this much. Here is the full completed look. This thing took me 2 solid days to do, okay? 3 different color processes and a whole lot of hair washing and hair styling, but I am finally so happy with the results. So let's break it down. At the roots, I am very, very, very happy to see that it blended so incredibly well. The second dye process that I did, the roots took really well. I was afraid that it was going to be very red, but I left it on for the 320 minutes and it turned out incredible. It's really nice and it's really like, it's like a healthy glow, you know? We've got first like a dark pink, a light pink, then we've got kind of like a silver purple, and then we've got like a blue. Do you guys see this? First I was scared that I wasn't going to like it because, as I said, I'm not really a blue person, which is why I decided to keep the pink up top. So you could see like the pink is a really, really nice, like healthy looking pink. Look at this, we've got pink, silver, denim blue. I just gave it kind of like little loose waves, except obviously when you do it on really short hair, the end really pops up. Oh my god, I'm living. Hi, it's me. I'm going to link every single thing, every single procedure, every single brand down the description box below, so no need to ask me in the comments. Okay, it's all there, it's all there. For you to get any color, anything resembling this, you will have to bleach it. Because I had bleached it just a month ago, I could skip that step. However, this is like all a level 7, 8, 9. There's nothing more to do. I can't wait to see this straight. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.